Alright guys, I just rolled into Depot Bay here right along Highway 101. It's got all these nice little shops along here. A lot of little shops along there, do nice little gift shops and all. But Depot Bay has got to be one of the most unique little ports on the Oregon coast, next to Port Orford down far south, because Port Orford is a dry port where they actually lift the boats out of the water and store them on trailers, large boats too. But here, I'll show you the port entrance here in a little bit, but look at this. I think the ocean, Pacific Ocean here, is running right under the road. Here's the sidewalk here. Now here's the water. Oh yeah, don't fall. That's a good 100 feet down there. Alright guys, what I got behind me here is the little port entrance to Depot Bay here. As you can see, here comes a boat right now. There's not much of a jetty at all, so real unique. And it's got to squeeze in between these rocks. And then it's going to go under this bridge up here. We have a state park whale watching center up here. Nice little viewpoint. And you see, here's the port back here. You got some Coast Guard cutters. That right there, that's a little fishing charter boat. Wonder if they caught anything. See, it goes under this arched bridge here, designed by that famous architect McCulloch. Oh, you're give you a height perspective. That bird's sitting on top of a power pole and we're higher than it, so it's a long drop here. Here's the entrance to that port with that bridge. There it is, the little harbor.